Upon powering on the unit, the LCD display will light up with the currently detected temperature in off mode. There are two ways to operate the Register Booster Fan: through the control interface on the face of the register, or with the iOS or Android app. The control face features an LCD display with 4 physical buttons. The LCD display shows the current status of the fan in the upper left corner, the current detected temperature in the register, the fan speed, as well as various mode and device settings in the bottom right corner. The menu button cycles through auto and timer mode, as well as associated settings. The settings button cycles through display, temperature unit, and temperature calibration settings. The up and down buttons change the selected setting up or down. The app interface allows you to change the mode and settings of the fan from your mobile device. On the fan control page, you will find the current detected temperature in the register, current mode, as well as current status of the fan in the upper section of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the fan control options for power on or off, auto mode, timer mode, and fan settings. Underneath the fan image, you will find the mode controls, which will change based on the mode of the fan. For more information on how to use the QuietCool Register Booster app, please watch our other tutorial videos.